Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. So in this video again I'm welcoming you all to the series of TNPSC Drug Inspector. Let's move on to the questions. Question number 171. Dash is prepared by treating acetaldehyde with sulfur dioxide, hydrochloric acid or zinc chloride. The options given are option A nitrazepam, B paraldehyde, C methoacetyl sodium, D chloral hydrate. So the correct answer is option B paraldehyde. Next question. Interaction of aniline and acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate yields option A phenacetin, B acetanilide, C aspirin and D paracetamol. The correct answer is option B acetanilide. Next question, question number 173. The type of sample required for analyzing with gas chromatography. A. Thermally stable, B. Volatile without decomposition, C. Non-volatile substances, D. Non-volatile acids. The correct option is option B. Volatile without decomposition is the type of sample that is required for analyzing gas chromatography. Next question. Most commonly used adsorbent in column chromatography is adsorbent in column chromatography. The options given are A. Activated magnesia, B. Activated charcoal, C. Fuller's earth and D is the silica gel. So the correct option is option D silica gel. Next question. In standardization of disodium editate mixture, dash is used as an indicator. The given options are option A modern black 2 and solochrome black, B modern black 2 and methanol, C modern black 2 and sodium chloride, D pyridine and methanol. The correct answer is option C modern black 2 and sodium chloride. Next, moving on to the next question, 176. Thermal detectors are commonly used detector in instruments. In which instrument? So option A is NMR spectroscopy, B MARS, C IR spectroscopy, D UV spectroscopy. So the correct answer is IR spectroscopy, the option C. Next question. Which of these equations in Ohm's law? Which of these equation is Ohm's law? A equal to ABC. Option B, delta E equal to EG minus E1. Then option C, A equal to epsilon BC and D, I equal to V by R. The correct option is I equal to V by R is the equation for Ohm's law. Next question. RF values in paper chromatography are usually, the given options are A below 1, B above 2, option C 5 and option D above 5. So the correct answer is option A below 1. So the RF value in paper chromatography are usually below 1. Next question. The standard reference substance that is used universally for NMR spectroscopy in, the options given are A trimethylsilane, B tetramethylmethane, C hexamethylsilane, D tetramethylsilane. So the correct answer is option D tetramethylsilane. The last question. Half-life of digoxin is given options A 30 minutes, B 4 hours, C 40 hours, D 7 hours. The correct answer is C 40 hours. So 40 hours is the half-life of digoxin. Thank you all. Let's all see in the upcoming question series. Please like, do share and subscribe our channel JD Pharmacoveda.